Hello and welcome to another Visla tutorial. Today we're talking about creating holiday-themed videos with Visla. As the holiday season approaches, you might be thinking about how to incorporate holiday content in your marketing strategy. Around this time, consumers are more open to new ideas and products, giving you the opportunity to launch some creative marketing campaigns. An easy and quick way to do this is to create videos around each of the individual holidays during the season. With Visla's AI video generator, you can quickly create these videos as long as you have the video concept. Let me show you how it works. Start by creating a video in Visla and make sure you have idea selected. I want to create a video showcasing how Christmas is celebrated around the world, so I'll type that into the prompt box. Create a video about how Christmas. And I also want to include a message around connecting with your family and friends during this time. Include a message. Perfect. Then I'll include any additional information that will help tailor my video, such as the tone and pacing. So I want this video to be cheery tone with medium pacing. Now click Generate. If you want to use your own script, click on Text and paste in your script. Then tailor the video as we did before. Visla will generate a video with footage, background music, and AI voiceover using your script or your video idea. Let's watch it.
The part, but the heart finds its way. Through video messages, we bridge the miles and bring smiles.
Amazing! Now we have a video for our Christmas marketing campaign. If you need to make any edits, just click on the edit button here, and you'll be able to change the footage, the story, text overlay, the background music, and so much more. All of the customization tools you need to create a video that matches your brand and campaign. If you want some feedback from your team, all you need to do is copy the project link here, share it with them, and they'll be able to review your video. When it's done, export. If you want to learn more about holiday video marketing strategies for your business, check out our blog. It's linked in the description. We're here to help you get the most out of this season. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you try it out, and I'll see you next time.